Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, kindly don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to leave your comment and don't forget to share. So let's get straight into the video. And of course, I'm back with another amazing video. So today we're preparing pilau. We have 1 kg of rice, 1 kg of boiled meat, 5 chopped onions, 1 sliced capsicum, 4 grated carrots, 1.5 spoon of pilau masala. We have cinnamon, we have cardamom seeds, 2 tablespoons of salt, and you have smashed garlic and ginger. So first of all, start by adding your onions, your capsicum, and your carrots. Then cover them. Cover it for about 5 minutes. After the 5 minutes, add your meat, add the smashed garlic and ginger, the cardamom seeds, and the cinnamon. Then again cover it and now let it turn golden brown. So after it's golden brown, you can now add your pilau masala and your salt. Stir it and let it turn brown. So make sure it's this brown, it turns like this. Then you can now add water, but for me I added the meat soup which I used to boil my meat. After that, cover it and let now the water boil. After it's boiled, it's time to add our rice. After adding your rice, now cover it. So when the water in the rice has already reduced, lower your heat and now let it cook with low heat. And after that, here's our pilau. Our pilau is here ready and served. So if you really enjoyed my video, kindly don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to turn on your notification bell. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to share and don't forget to leave your comments. So till next time, bye.